Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about the difference between passive dividend income and active trading income, so you can clearly understand how these two income strategies work and which one may suit different types of investors. Number 1. Passive dividend income is income earned from holding dividend-paying investments, whereas active trading income is income earned from buying and selling assets frequently. Number 2. Passive dividend income mainly comes from company dividend distributions. On the other hand, active trading income mainly comes from price movements and trade profits. Number 3. Passive dividend income usually requires low ongoing time involvement, whereas active trading income often requires high daily time and attention. Number 4. Passive dividend income generally follows a buy-and-hold approach. On the other hand, active trading income usually follows a short-term or frequent trading approach. Number 5. Passive dividend income can be relatively steady if the dividends are reliable, whereas active trading income is usually more variable and unpredictable. Number 6. Passive dividend income typically needs basic investment analysis and patience. On the other hand, active trading income needs stronger technical, analytical, and timing skills. Number 7. Passive dividend income is generally associated with lower stress, whereas active trading income often creates higher stress because of constant market monitoring. Number 8. Passive dividend income involves fewer transactions. On the other hand, active trading income involves many trades. Number 9. Passive dividend income usually has lower trading costs overall, whereas active trading income can lead to higher commissions, spreads, and other fees. Number 10. Passive dividend income mainly focuses on dividend sustainability and business quality. On the other hand, active trading income is more exposed to short-term market volatility and timing risk. Number 11. Passive dividend income usually offers slower, compounding long-term growth, whereas active trading income may offer faster gains, but losses can also happen quickly. Number 12. Passive dividend income often provides periodic cash flow such as monthly, quarterly, or annual payouts. On the other hand, active trading income produces irregular cash flow depending on successful trades. Number 13. Passive dividend income may receive different tax treatment depending on the type of dividend, whereas active trading income can trigger more taxable events because of frequent trades. Number 14. Passive dividend income is best for investors seeking passive cash flow and long-term wealth building. On the other hand, active trading income is more suitable for people comfortable with active decision-making and fast-paced markets. Number 15. When evaluating passive dividend income, the key things to watch are payout ratio, cash flow, dividend history, and earnings quality, whereas in active trading income the key things to watch are entry and exit timing, risk control, discipline, and market trends. So, the bottom line is that passive dividend income focuses on steady cash flow and long-term compounding, whereas active trading income depends much more on frequent market decisions, timing, and higher personal involvement. Therefore, before choosing between these two strategies, always consider your goals, risk tolerance, available time, skill level, and total costs, because the right strategy depends on your personal financial situation and investing style. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.